Okay, and this first step in this electric Toyota Prius hybrid car service is that when we are doing job in engine area, we have to take these rear trunk areas covers away, all of in here. That way this away. Now we can look closer. There's really now in this Toyota Prius cars there is two batteries, and here is this the big one. It is in here, and service switch is in here, and in that another side we have this small battery, and we have to also take in here, there is the small battery in this right corner. Both areas we have to take this service switch away. And firstly we take that away in this hybrid battery, and there we can see this red switch. This red switch really opens in special way. Firstly I have to move that up and then in that way and pull out. And now electricity is away. And this is great engineering. This is this legendary Toyota's engineering. And now hybrid system, it is like neutral. There is no any electricity to car this front engine area. In here, this right area in here, there is standard this 12 volt battery, and I have to take also in that area this minus cable away, and I need now 10 mm socket. And here is really this battery, and there is this my 10 mm this socket, and there is not so much space, but in here in that way I can open this 10 mm nut. Now nut is free, and then I can little bit move this my connector, and I pull out that. Okay, and now this connector is free, and now I took away this plus areas connector, and now I have to install something insulation material in there. Now I install this rubber plate in here, and this part like eliminates this possibility that there is contact between this my battery cable and then this battery LED area. Okay, and now I have made this first step, and I have removed now really hybrid and electric cars this service switch, and also this hybrid engines this standard 12 voltage batteries cable. And now we can go to back engine area.